again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we are just going to do a little gel polish design. Been dying to use these. So this is the new Macaron'S collection from Kiki London. It's a collection of 8. There's the ingredients for that one nosy bugger. The cruelty free and vegan. Look at all them colours. So they've got some like bright pastels and some paler ones. I love this collection. I don't have anything like it. And I've also pulled this rubber base out. This is number 04. Gorgeous rubber bases, these guys. They're quite opaque for rubber base, actually. That's it there. And that's the other 2 that I got. Beautiful, beautiful colours. And that's them after 2 coats. I love that slight transparency they've still got. I love that with rubber base. And I thought I'd just show you them, seeing as I had them in my hands. Look at that sparkle. That's Kiki London's reflective collection. That's another stunning collection that they've got. Right, so I'm just going to give these nails 2 really thin coats. I'm just going to show you this pinky. I'll show you the first coat, what it looks like after that. And then I'll show you what it looks like after the second coat. Just 2 thin coats, and they're curing the lamp for 30 seconds. I have got a 10% discount code for Kiki London, guys. I'll leave it below with a link to the website. So that's them, all had 2 coats. I'm just wiping the tacky layer off because I want to do some artwork on these nails. I'm going to start with these 2 colours. This is called Mint Lolly, and this is the brighter of the pinks. It's called Strawberry Smoothie, or is that the paler of the pinks? Can't remember. And Kiki London Striped Liner Brush. I love this brush. It's one of them brushes you can literally use for everything. I use it for everything today. I use it for my nail beds. I use it for my flowers. It's a really versatile brush. I really like it. So this pointer finger, I'm using the pink, and I'm just doing a smile line. I'm just going to do like French tips on the pointer finger and the pinky. I'm doing the pink on this pointer, and I'm going to do the green on the pinky. So I wanted this smile line to be quite a deep smile line. I'd always do your smile lines just a little bit lower than you want them, so you've got that little bit of room to tidy them up if it's not quite right. Always start it a little bit lower. And I'm just going to use the brush just to paint them corners, and then I'll use the brush out the bottle to paint the rest of the nail. And that's going to get a 30 seconds cure. And yeah, I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky using the green. Right, so that's those 2 nails done. So now I'm going to use Peach Puff, Blueberry Whisk. This one is Lavender Lush, and it is lush. Sweet Lime, I like this colour. And then we've got Marshmallow Delight. I think I used all of the colours except Cookies and Cream, which is like a creamy nude colour. So I'm just giving these nails a matte top coat just to smooth the nails out, and I just prefer to paint on a matte top coat. So they've been cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm starting out with a dotting tool, and just coming out of the cuticle area, I'm just doing 3 dots, just 3 dots, and I'm going to use the gel polish in those dots using that stripe liner, and I'm just pulling the gel out of them dots into a point, going into the middle if this makes any sense. And then I'm going to pull them to a point going outwards as well. So just use the gel in that little dot that you've done, and it just helps keep all your petals even and the same width. So yeah, just pull a line down the middle and a line down each side. Turn it into like a triangle. You can see this one a little bit better. Pull it down each side and then straight down the middle. Turn it into like a teardrop. Really, really simple way to do flowers. And I have learned over the past year or so, using a dotting tool to do flowers, it just helps so much to keep them petals even, same thickness, same amount of gel. It really does help using these little dotting tools and stuff. So I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky, but I'm going to keep doing the pinky off camera. And I've done another one of these little flowers down at the bottom of the nail. I'm just going to show you doing one of each flower. And I'm giving all these just a 10-second flash cure, so if I make a mistake I don't have to wipe them off. So I've done 4 of them flowers, and now this next flower, again I'm using a smaller dotting tool. I'm just going to do 5 dots in a circle. They don't have to be perfect, flowers are not perfect. And then I'm just going to mark out where the middle of that flower is. And with this flower I'm just going to pull inwards, I'm not going to pull them outwards to a point. Just like that, really, really simple. Just pull all them dots straight into the middle and then give that a quick flash cure. Right, and now this last little flower is just going to be the easiest flower you can ever do. 5 dots in a circle, but keep these dots as close together as you can, because it's just going to be left like that. And then all I'm going to do now is use Kiki London's coconut. This is Kiki London's white. And again, using the dotting tool, I'm just going to do some 4-pointed stars. So just a teeny tiny dot with your stars. And again, just pull a line going down, a line going up, and a line going out each side. I'm going to do another one on the bottom of the nail again. I'm only going to show you doing one. Yeah, and then just some little dots around them stars. I think 4-pointed stars just add something to a nail, don't they? A design. I love them. I do them quite a lot. Right, and now I'm just going to do some little dots in the smaller flowers using a different colour gel. So like that one's having a bit of lavender, and that one's having lavender, and then this one's having a bit of blue, I think that was. And then that's them 2 nails finished. So onto this middle nail now. I'm only going to show you a tiny bit of this nail because it's the same thing. I'm doing the same flowers, exactly the same way as I did the other flowers. So I'll just let you watch for a minute, guys. I'm only going to show you 1 or 2 flowers, and I'll be back in a sec. Right guys, that is all my artwork done now. So I'm using Kiki London. This is Kiki's glossy top coat. It's perfect for artwork because it's quite a thick top coat. I do want these nails matte, but I'm using this glossy top coat, yeah, because it's thick and it's going to smooth out all them nails. If you matte top coat straight over artwork like this, matte top coat shows up every little bump. So you're always best off going in with a nice thick top coat first. Kiki London's top coat is perfect for this. So they've been cured for 30 seconds and I have given them a little buff as well. So now I'm going in with the matte top coat and that's going to I'm giving them a matte top coat, and that's going to get a full 30 seconds cure. Take a quick look at them glossy though, guys. I liked them in glossy. I just think pastels look so good matte, don't they? Right, so I've pulled out my trusty little spring flowers. Love these flowers. They just finish off any design, don't they? So I've used a few of those and just some transparent rhinestones. So I'll let you watch, guys, now, and I'll be back at the end. There we go, guys, that is then finished. I think these turned out do you know what? I love that base colour. I love it's still got that slight transparency to it, and it just makes it look like hard gel or acrylic, doesn't it? Cute little design. I love those gel polishes as well. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget you can get 10% off at Kiki London. It's all in the description box with a link to the website. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.